Hey cartoon friends, so today's another drawing tutorial with just pencil and photocopy paper so you can follow along at home. I'm going to keep this one really loose and sketchy and we'll go from there. Okay, so first off, I think I'm going to draw a bunny holding a heart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a nice big kind of rounded shape like this. It's almost, I guess almost like oval, and then the cheeks are on the lower part of the head. So I'm going to do that, and another cheek like that. So it's kind of like two little ovals. In the center line. Put the eye, one eye here, loose, one eye here. And you can see I'm holding the side of the pencil. You don't have to do that. It's just something I do when I'm roughing it out. I'm gonna draw a cheek, that cheek, the ear. It's the inside of the ear. So I'm not doing too much details right now, just the simple shapes, okay? It's a foot, another foot. So the head is definitely the biggest part. It makes it super cute. The head's really big and the body's a little tiny. Okay. So I'm just working out, rough shapes right now. What it's, it's on a kind of plant or something like that. Okay, so that's the shapes I'm going to use. So it's circle, circle, circle for the body over here, some feet. And now I'm going to work out the, the tinier shapes. I may lighten this up a bit. You don't have to, but I'm going to do it anyway for now. This is just a kneaded rubber eraser. Okay, so I'm going to sculpt this line like this. So I'm still loose. And then another little shape like this. Cheek. Same thing on this side, so kind of follow a line across. And then the back part of the head. In between the ears. So still keeping it loose. I don't want this to be, finished tight drawing. It can still be loose. Inside of the ear. And I'm just doing a center line for myself. And a nose. The eye. Another eye. The highlight, and then maybe the kind of like a pear shape at the bottom of the eye. That little mouth, okay, and then big kind of cheeks. Let's really make those cheeks cute. So nice and big. And the side cheek there. Okay. Now I'm going to do an arm on this side. And then another arm over here. And it's going to hold that heart. Yeah, I can have a highlight there if it wants. Shade it in. back part of the body, and the tail, of the feet. And the other toe or feet. Oh, let me erase that. Oh, fix this area here. Cool. All right. Yeah, I think that's coming along. Now you can just kind of add whatever you want. I'm just making this up as I go along. I'm not really sure what it's kind of on, but it's like a cloud. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. It's just little clouds. Maybe a heart shape over here. The heart shape over there. Star. Another star over here, maybe. What we could do is make this into a rainbow. Right? I'm just turning the paper over, just touching it up a tad. Okay. Fix that. So yeah, this is just a fun way of, loosening up. I thought we should try at least going straight to just normal pencil drawings on photocopy paper, something you can easily do at home. Doesn't require a lot, and then you can color it after. But I think this is kind of fun and loose. It's still kind of cute, and looks alive, and I mean, this bunny looks like it has, personality. But definitely by keeping the drawings loose, it helps it keep alive, it keeps it alive. I think that's really good. Okay, I'm gonna sign it, and that is it. All right, enjoy your day. High five.